Hi guys, this is Marie Lee. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making authentic Jamaican jerk sauce. Stick around, you do not want to miss this. Remember to hit that notification button so every time I drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. The jerk sauce has a bold and fiery flavor that your taste buds will certainly enjoy. Your key ingredients, they're right here. They're your thyme, your Scotch bonnet pepper, pimento seed, brown sugar, and I'm gonna show you how to mix all these together to make the perfect marinade. I'm starting off with my scallions, so I'm chopping these on the bigger side because this is gonna go into my blender, so no need for small dicing. Next, now is my green onions. I'm cutting this into 4 equal pieces because I'll be using 2 containers for the blend. This is my fresh thyme from my garden, so you can't get more organic than this. And now I have some ginger, followed by the Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. So this is a must-have ingredient, guys. All I'm doing right now is removing the stems. I'm gonna be blending everything, including the seed. There you go. Now for part 2 of the ingredient. Right now I have some garlic cubes, followed by the brown sugar, cinnamon, and this is some soy sauce and browning. So that will give it the sweet yet savory and spicy taste we're looking for. Not to forget your pimento now. This is authentic pimento straight from Jamaica with my pink Himalayan salt. I just love me some Himalayan salt. Now it's time to add some olive oil. And top this off with some nutmeg. And all my ingredients, guys, they're 100% natural, organic ingredients. Adding some water for a smoother blend. After I'm all done with adding my ingredients, I'm just gonna cover this and let the blending do the trick. Jamaican jerk sauce, it's not just a sauce, it's really a cultural experience. You've got to experience it. Looking pretty good. It just needs a couple seconds more of blending. This is it, guys. This is the authentic Jamaican jerk sauce. I hope you like my video. I'm just gonna pour it out so you can see the consistency and leave me some love. Drop some comments down below and let me know what you think of this. Look at that. Oh my goodness, the smell of the jerk sauce. I can smell the pepper. Everything is just mixed so nicely together. This is it, guys. Let me know what you think. Stick around because I'll be showing you how to make the jerk chicken and the jerk pork. So you gotta check out those videos. They're coming pretty soon.